Hello, good afternoon everyone. I am Sushant and in this video I am going to show you my CLI project which is built on Node.js and Node.js basically a JavaScript runtime which is built on Chrome V8 engine. So I will show you my CLI project directly. Uh, Basically this project is built on wcat CLI command. Wcat is nothing but basically a command which is used to display or make a copy of content of one or more files in the terminal. Basically, I have divided my project into several tasks. I will start with the first one. The first task is wcat file path. That means if I type the command wcat and after that command I will type the file name, that is in this case I can type f1.txt, so it will result me the content of the file in the terminal. As you can see, I am directly getting the content of the file in the terminal. If I hit enter, if I hit command with 2 or more 3 files, let's see, wcat f1.txt, f3.txt, it will content from all the files. Here you can see, here it is showing me all the content of both files. So let's move forward to the next task, which is if there are empty lines in a file, so the result will be without the empty lines. For that I have a command, that is wcat -s. Minus is nothing but you can say option which reduces the number of lines, empty lines in the terminal. And now wcat -s file name, I will write f1.txt. Now you can see it is reducing the number of lines. You can see the original one is including 3 lines and now result one is only having 1 line of space. So this is the result of wcat -s f1.txt command. Now moving to the next task, which is if I have to give here the number of lines. As you can see in VS Code, VS Code is providing the number of lines to the in front of every comment, or you can say every code. So in this case, if I want to get the number of lines or number of lines in the terminal, for that I have a command, that is wcat -n on file name. In this case I will write f2.txt. Now you can see I am getting 1 2 3 4 5 6 all the number of lines in front of my content. Now moving forward to the next command, which is wcat -b file path. Basically -b is not something very difficult. It is basically showing the number of lines only on the non-empty lines. Let me type you wcat -b and the file name f1.txt. So you can see we are not getting any number of line, any output in the empty lines. So for that wcat you can type -b -s for reducing the number of space lines, f1.txt. Now you can see it is working for both commands. -b is also working and -s is also working. Okay, so now let's move forward to the next command, which is wcat file path. And if we want to copy our one data to the another data to another file, and if the file is not exist, it will first create the file and then it will copy the content of one file to another. The command is wcat file name f1.txt, f2.txt. Now if we want to move the content from f1.txt f2.txt to let's say f4.txt, so it will do our work. You can see it is creating our here f4.txt which is not present earlier. So you can see the data is copied from both the files in f4.txt. Now this is basically our project work. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye. Now our final command is node wcat wcat -s file name is f1.txt, and the symbol which copies one content to the another file, another file name, that is we can say f4 f5.txt. Now it is copying the content with -s command, which reduces the number of space lines. So you can see it is creating f5.txt new file and without the number of spaces. So this is basically my project works. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Have a good day.